Ah yes, a vintage Sunn SA20 from the good old days when they used to have a lid and a bottom cover. So nice. I wish they'd go back to doing that. This is the perfect amp for when you need a flexible screwdriver. See that? This thing is awesome. When you're disassembling this, the bottom circuit board is the one that has the bridge input. The top board does not. I can see that the fuses are blown. So that means something is shorted. Now we got to find out what that is. Flip the board over and I can see that this diode has exploded, so that's one thing. Alright, looks like we have a bunch of shorted output devices. There we go, there's a short. There's another short. There's another short. And another. And another. So, we're going to have to take out all 6 of these output devices and test them separately and figure out which ones need replaced. And then recheck for shorts. Okay, went through and checked the 6 outputs, and these 2 were the only 2 that were dead shorted. Got my new diodes in. Next, I'm going to check these drivers for shorts, and that should be pretty much it. Alright, none of these drivers tested shorted. Whenever you have transistors mounted on a heatsink like that, just visually inspect the legs. Make sure you don't have any broken legs. But that looks like it. So let's put some new fuses in and give this a try. Okay, got the fuses in. Go through and check the output devices for shorts one more time. They all check good. No, I don't detect any more shorts in this thing, so I'm going to put this one channel in and see if it works. Alright, got the bottom board in. Power it up. Make sure there's no DC voltage coming out of it. DC voltage is around 0, so that's good enough. Now let's do an audio test. Alright, hooked up a speaker. Put some audio in it. Got the normal light on. Looks like it works.